Hi, I'm Jenica Bishop, Global Market Manager at Polaris, and I'm excited to introduce the Model Year 26 Ranger Nordic Pro lineup. Nordic Pro is the ultimate all-season utility package built for the cold, wet, and unpredictable. The new Nordic Pro machines are equipped from the factory with 3 core components, all meeting tractor homologation. New for Model Year 26, all Nordic Pro machines are equipped from the factory with a fully enclosed cab system. It features a 360-degree cab protecting you from all of the elements, including wind, rain, snow, dust, and sun. An in-cab heater and defrost system, and climate control with heat and circulating air. And a heavy-duty Polaris HD winch. Ranger 570 Nordic Pro is ideal for small properties and smaller farms that require tight access. It's equipped with a 570cc 44 horsepower engine. It's easy and nimble, but still has big capability in a small footprint. Equipped from the factory with a fully enclosed cab, an in-cabin heater with defrost, and a 3,500-pound HD winch. Ideal for all of the small farm applications, carrying hay bales, carrying your tools to repair fences, and hauling feed to the animals. Ranger 1000 Nordic Pro is the everyday workhorse, with the full-size utility side-by-side capability with more horsepower and capacity to make all of the daily demanding jobs. Equipped from the factory with a fully enclosed cab, an in-cab heater, and a 4,500-pound HD winch, this is the perfect machine for your everyday use. Paired with 27-inch tires, a full skid plate, high-output power steering, for low-speed maneuverability, paired with the Gen 2 transmission for smooth, consistent shifting. Ranger XP1000 is the most capable vehicle in the lineup, with a 1000cc dual overhead cam engine with 80 horsepower. With the largest capacity in the lineup and the towing capacity of 1,134 kilograms. Equipped from the factory with a fully enclosed cab, an in-cab heater and circulating air, a heavy-duty Polaris winch, and new this year, 29-inch tires with an improved tread pattern to reduce the noise in the cabin. Whether it's the agile Ranger 570, the powerful Ranger 1000, or the extreme performance Ranger XP 1000, there's a Nordic Pro engineered for you with all-weather capability. So stop by your Polaris dealer today and give the new Nordic Pro lineup a try.